In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make deep house music in Suno AI. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Before jumping into Suno, we'll craft a strong style prompt using ChatGPT so Suno knows exactly what sound you want. In the Google search bar, type ChatGPT and click the official website. Once you're there, ask it to generate a deep house style prompt. You can use something like, generate a deep house prompt with a smooth, groovy mood, atmospheric and hypnotic vibe at around 120 BPM, featuring soulful female vocals, deep bass lines, soft pads, and rhythmic percussion. Keep it descriptive but concise. Clear adjectives and a tempo target help the generator lock in the vibe. Hit submit, then highlight the style prompt ChatGPT gives you and copy it to your clipboard. Now, head to Suno AI and click Create to open the music creation interface. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This tells Suno the sonic character you're aiming for, so it's worth getting right. Next, let's create original lyrics to match. Go back to ChatGPT and type a prompt for lyrics. For example, write original lyrics for a deep house song. The subject is a world without shadows. Shadows disappear one day, and society begins to unravel as secrets and truths are exposed. Match the genre and include a title. Submit and give it a moment to generate. If you want a different mood or angle, you can change the subject while keeping the deep house context. Once you're happy, highlight the full lyrics and copy them. Return to Suno AI, find the lyrics section, and paste the lyrics in. Double-check line breaks and formatting so verses and hooks are clear. This helps the model interpret phrasing and vocal flow. With your style prompt and lyrics in place, click Create and let Suno generate your track. This may take a little time depending on demand, so be patient. When it's done, listen through and note what worked. If the groove is close but not perfect, consider tightening your style prompt with more precise descriptors like warm analog bass, dusty vinyl texture, or late-night club ambience. And keep BPM around 120 for classic deep house feel. Avoid referencing specific artists. Focus on instruments, mood, and energy. That's it. You've used ChatGPT to shape the style and lyrics, then Suno AI to bring the music to life. Save your results, and you're ready to share your new deep house track.